welcome to TS24x7. Today we are going to discuss about CSS3 box shadow property. Here the box shadow property applies shadows to the elements in its simplest form. Will specify only the horizontal shadow and the vertical shadow. Will specify only horizontal shadow and vertical shadow. Now let us consider an example so that we can understand box shadow property. Open the new pad, open the HTML, open the head part, style tag. Here we'll be considering a div class in which we'll be mentioning all the styles. The width will be 300 pixels and the height is 100 pixels and the height is 100 pixels and padding is 15 pixels. The padding is 15 pixels and the background color is yellow. Here the background color is yellow and the box shadow is 10 pixels. Box shadow is 10 pixels horizontally and vertically also 10 pixels. Here we are closing the div and closing the style and close the head part and open the body. Here in the body we'll be mentioning text to which the styles will be applied. Here we are taking a div in which we'll be giving some text. The box shadow, close the div, close the body, close the HTML. Now save this file with .html extension. Now run this file. Here we got the output. We have taken a div and the background color for the div is yellow color and we got the output by box shadow. Now we can also add a color to the shadow. Adding a color to the shadow. Here we'll take an example. Open the new pad, HTML, head, style tag. Here we'll be taking a class in which we'll be applying all the styles. Width is 300 pixels, height is 100 pixels and padding is 50 pixels. The padding is 15 pixels and the background color is yellow. Here the box shadow is 10 pixels horizontally and 10 pixels vertically and we are adding color here. Now close the style Now close the head part. Now open the body. In body will be giving text to which the box shadow will be applied. Box shadow with a color will be giving box shadow, and in the text close the body, close the HTML. Now save this file with .html extension. Here we got the output. The background color is yellow, and the effects are applied to the box this div, and the red color is we added the red color to the box shadow. We got the output here. Now we can also add a blur effect to the shadow. We can also add a blur effect to the shadow. For this also we'll be considering an example so that we can understand. Open the new pad, HTML, head, and we'll be opening style tag. Here we'll be taking a div and we'll be giving an properties. The width is 300 pixels, height is 100 pixels, and the padding is 15 pixels. Background color is yellow, and the box shadow is 10 pixels horizontally and 10 pixels vertically, and red, and we can also give a 50 pixels, or we can give any value 15 pixels, and red color. Here we are closing and close the style tag and close the head part. Open the body and give some text here. Box shadow. Close the text. Close the body. Close the HTML. Now save this file with .html extension. Now run this file. Here we got the output, the box shadow with a background color yellow, and the red color is added to this, and which is also blurred. Here this is all about CSS3 box shadow properties. In this we can do three things. The first one is we can apply the box shadow to the text, and the next one is we can also add a color to the shadow, and the third one is we can also add a blur effect to the shadow. This is all about CSS3 box shadow properties.